breaking news now coming in from the state of Maharashtra that suggests some possible discontent within the Mahayuti. We are learning that Shiv Sena leader and Jalgaon district's Guardian Minister Gulabrao Patil has passed on a controversial statement. He said that Finance Ministry is the most worthless. Remember, this criticism comes in the wake of Maharashtra's upcoming elections as well, and he has criticized Ajit Pawar without actually naming him. So he has launched this target at the finance minister, but without naming him, saying that finance ministry is the most worthless in the current governments. Listen into what exactly the minister actually said.
TRC वाले अमुक वाले सगळे पाठी लागले आहे, एक एक करतोय. पण म्हणजे मला म्हणायला नाही असं पाहिजे. टीव्ही वाले आणि पत्रकारांची माफी मागेल की त्यांनी नाही टाकलं तर बरं होईल, पण अर्थ खातं सारखं नालायक म्हणजे येऊ नको तो शब्द माझ्या तोंडात. आमची फाईल साहेब 10 वेळेस गेली अर्थ खात्यात, 10 वेळेस. पण मी पण पक्का गेली का माणूस पाठवायचा. शेख
CNN News 18's Preeti Sompura is joining us in the broadcast over this news break. Preeti, a very good morning to you. Looks like everything is not well within the Mahayuti. How exactly Ajit Pawar's faction is going to respond to this jibe coming in from Water Ministry?
Sakshi, the statement came from the Shinde camp minister Gulabrao Patil. Earlier also he made several statements against the Ajit Pawar and even on the BJP also. So now this yesterday's statement came from the Gulabrao Patil. In that statement he clearly said that Water Department has sent files to the Finance Department for the 10 times to sanction some of the funds, but the Finance Department returned the file. So now he used the bad words on the Finance Department, which is being led by the Ajit Pawar himself. So now we can see that the rift is going on between Shinde camp versus Ajit Pawar camp. But when we spoke to some of the people of the Ajit Pawar fraction, they said they will not going to comment on such types of issue, because they said that some of the people of the Shinde camp is making such types of statement. But we all are in the Mahayuti and we want to fight the elections together. Sakshi?
Right, Preeti. Thank you so much for all of those details.